Over the years, protein powders have been highly popularized, not just in the athletic community, but also just in the general population. And they're stipulated to help with kind of those muscle gains, the weight loss, as well as general strength and just overall performance. So proteins have many benefits, one of them being the building blocks to our muscles, our bones, our cartilage, as well as their role in other processes in our body. Another one being appetite control. So having a higher protein meal may actually help us make us feel fuller for longer or even quicker because we have a higher protein intake. And in the end, may help an individual reach their weight loss goals. Everyone's protein requirements are going to be very different. These are based on someone's age, if they have a very intense fitness routine, if they have any health concerns that requires them to have a higher protein intake. Those are all going to affect what their requirements are going to be. So one strategy of increasing protein for one person may not necessarily work for the other. Research has actually shown that most individuals can actually meet their protein requirements from eating whole foods, such as meats, plant-based proteins, anything of that way. And this research also suggests to do so by including kind of more of those whole foods because they also include other nutrients and vitamins and minerals that our body does require. However, this is not to say that adding protein powder to your diet is frowned upon, because some individuals might actually need a little bit of help from those supplements to meet their goals or their requirements, such as, for example, an athlete who is having lots of training sessions and needing to build that muscle more quickly. Research has shown that having that protein powder can be beneficial in that way. Another example is someone on a restrictive diet who doesn't have the opportunity to include those animal-based or plant-based proteins and may actually require that protein powder as a supplement. If you are thinking of adding a protein powder in your diet, please refer back to your dietitian just to discuss what your protein requirements are and to see what types of protein powders would be beneficial for you, as not all protein powders are made the same.